Let's create a marketplace at work and we'll use Viva Engage. I'm inside Teams and I'll go to the 3 dots to find Viva Engage. And here I can create a new community. Go over to the right and click Create a Community and we'll give it a name. This is like a trade me for your company. I'll call it Company Marketplace and I'll put in a brief description here. For members, we can add everyone to it, or you can have just specific people. And anyone can view and join this community, so we'll leave it as public. For the default publisher, use question here. So now my marketplace has been created. I'm going to change the cover photo, that's better. And now I've uploaded my new item. Here it is, it's a mountain bike for sale. Let's create one from scratch. I'm going to choose article because that lets me add an image and more text. So I've got a fishing rod here and I'm going to add a title. It's my high quality fishing rod for sale and I'll put in some text here. Great, I'll put who to contact and how much I'd like for it. Now I'm going to preview it first and then I'm going to review it. And then from here, I've got some options around scheduling a post or saving as draft. I'm just going to post it. So now I've got 2 items in the marketplace and you can see who's posted them. It's got my little profile icon there. There's the fishing rod and there's the mountain bike. We can filter, so new conversations, etc. And as the admin, you can go to the 3 dots of any post and view the analytics, delete the post, pin it, close the conversation, etc. Back at the top, we can see we've got all the conversations are on the front page. Then we've got an About tab which opens up the analytics we can see. We've got Files which takes us to the SharePoint site where any images will be stored. And then lastly, Events. So look, it's a fun place, very easy to use, and you need to show people how to use the article to post their items for sale. Have fun!